Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. A reminder as well that you can download our One Spot Media app in the Google Play Store or the App Store. That's the number 1, followed by the word Spot and Media. Hurricane Irma slammed into southwest Florida on Sunday, threatening to bring dangerous storm surges to coastal areas already battered by the hurricane's powerful winds. More than 2.1 million households are without power. The hurricane is now barreling towards Naples, Florida, after making landfall in the Florida Keys as a Category 4 storm this morning. The hurricane was this afternoon downgraded to Category 2. More from the CNN.
This is the marina. This is what's amazing. That water here is still going out on this side. This is the marina. There is no seawater in this marina anymore. It's all fresh water just pouring in off the land from this storm. The boats you see off in the distance, the big one and then the boat there, those are sitting on mud right now, incredibly enough. If you look over here to the left, you can see that there's a sign that's just about to come off of a pole there. That's the power of this wind. And then look at the trees in here. These are some of the strongest winds we've seen so far. The palm trees are just, perpendicular. They doesn't look very normal. It's amazing that these things can stay up and do fine. All the way around, it looks like Punta Gorda, at least this section of it, has just lost electricity a little while ago as well. I think they expected that. The emergency management folks talked about the storm hurricane force winds around 8 p.m. tonight. I don't know if this storm has slowed down or not. Perhaps Tom can speak to that later, but clearly it may be slowing down a little bit before we get to that other side of the eye wall when the wind will change direction and all that water that was washed out to sea will all come back. They're expecting a 5 to 8 foot storm surge here, that wall of water from the ocean, about 3 feet on land they're expecting. So we're going to watch for that and maybe have to change positions before that happens. Chris?